This video is about how to use the crosscut saw. Well, maybe how not to use it. Oh, and also making a jewellery box. Okay, a bit of background. This jewellery box was a Christmas present for my girlfriend, and I'm already after doing a video on how to do the inlaid dovetails on the main box. I'll leave a link down below. But now I'm making the tray that goes on top to hold whatever jewellery. And I'm mitering each of the corners, but miter joints aren't that strong. They need to be reinforced with splines, which you call on the table saw. But my table saw is broken. I broke it. So I had to cut them some other way. I decided to use the crosscut saw, which leads me to do not do this ever. It is not smart. It is dumb. And now that you know that it shouldn't be done, here's exactly how I did it. So yeah, by turning the head of the saw 90 degrees parallel with the bottom and lining the corner of your box up in the same place each time, I used to use a bit of plywood as a marker, you can cut the slots safely. And here I have 8 done, ready for splines. For the next potentially hazardous crosscut activity, we need to move to the lid of the box, which is curved, and to get that curve I needed to laminate 2 pieces of white oak to get the required thickness. Once these were out of the clamps, I traced the shape of the curve I wanted, and because of the non-linear nature of video editing, my table saw was back to life. Bit of work with a hand plane to finalise the curve of the lid before moving over to my resurrected table saw to hollow out the inside. By passing your piece back and forward across the blade while raising it up, it does a very good job of hollowing out the inside. That's how I would have liked to do it. That's how I would have continued to do it if my saw had not broken. But because it did, a quick recap. I think you get the idea. This is not smart. This is how you cut coves on a table saw without the table saw. I needed to make a lining for the inside of the box, and the crosscut saw was the only thing I had left that might work. So I used it. I just turned the head of the saw 90-ish degrees, slightly less, to get the right curve, and took a lot of passes, and very shallow, and it actually worked. It made a huge amount of mess, but surprisingly, it did work. Now it might be a bit unfair for me to walk you through how I did the carving, because suffice it to say, I had no idea what I was doing. Maybe one day, with a bit more experience, but just, sit back and watch, I guess. For anyone who actually made it this far, thank you very much for watching. And maybe check out another video on the channel. And you know, all those cool YouTube things. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.